Ghulam Nabi Azad, who was one of the senior Congress leaders and a big loyalist of the Gandhi family, who had written the letter that led to the big meeting within the Congress party, has now spoken out again. And he's again one more time responding to his own colleagues, slamming the colleagues who are opposing the election of CWC members. Let's listen in to Ghulam Nabi Azad and then we'll go across to Aarti Subramanian.
देखिए, मंशा कांग्रेस को सक्रिय करने का था, कांग्रेस को मजबूत करने का था, कांग्रेस को स्ट्रेंथन करने का था। लेकिन जिनको कुछ भी नहीं मालूम है, जिनको अपॉइंटमेंट वाला कार्ड मिल गया है, वो सब विरोध करते हैं, वो सब भाग जाएंगे। वरना कोई भी कांग्रेसी जिसको कांग्रेस में इतनी जरा भी रुचि हो, वो तो स्वागत करेगा इस चीज का कि हमने क्या कहा। हमने कहा है प्रदेश प्रेसिडेंट जो है इलेक्टेड होना चाहिए, डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्टेड होना चाहिए, ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्टेड होना चाहिए, कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी इलेक्टेड होनी चाहिए। अब इसमें कौन सी बुरी बात है कांग्रेस लीडरशिप के लिए? इसी तरह से डिस्ट्रिक्ट, इसी तरह से ब्लॉक, इसी तरह से वर्किंग कमेटी। वर्किंग कमेटी में भी नॉर्मली वर्किंग कमेटी के मेंबर को इलेक्टेड को आप हटा नहीं सकते, लेकिन अपॉइंटेड को आज हटा दिया। आज गुलाम नबी आज़ाद ने स्टेटमेंट दिया तो गुलाम नबी का गायब। लेकिन अगर वर्किंग कमेटी इलेक्टेड हो तो फिर हटा नहीं सकते। तो इसमें कौन सी आपत्ति है भाई? इलेक्टेड।
Aarti, so he's taken his time, waited a couple of days, and then, very thoughtfully made this comment. How should it be read now? What Ghulam Nabi Azad is saying, again, obviously, targeting his own party members.
That's right, Tanvi. And as much as the Congress party would like to make it seem like all is well, we're one big happy family, it's very clear that there is still some resentment. There is a great sense of discomfort and unhappiness within senior party members. Now, at the CWC meeting, out of the 23 signatories, there were 4 of them at that meeting. That is Ghulam Nabi Azad himself, Mukul Wasnik, Anand Sharma, and Jitin Prasad. Now, all 4 of them received a lot of barrage of the criticism was reserved for the 4 of them, and there was no real attempt to even address the issues that they had raised. So the 4 of them were at that receiving end, and even after that meeting, we've seen some Congress members try and revive the matter, say that there should be some action taken against these people. They broke party lines. They were colluding with the BJP, and there is a certain, while all these leaders, these 23 leaders, have almost accepted that this is what the conclusion of the meeting was, but there appears to be another wave given the comment that Ghulam Nabi Azad made, a very significant comment coming from such a senior congressman, especially about the fact that there should be elections in the CWC, and it isn't, as he said, an appointment card by which people actually come to the CWC. Tanvi, my sense is that we will see more developments in this, and at least keep an eye out on those 23 leaders, because there will be some more comments coming soon.
Yes, absolutely, Aarti. So we'll keep a close eye on what happens next, and if the Congress party and those who speak on behalf of the Gandhis officially respond to this as well. Thanks so much for joining us for now.